Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Playing with another little toy. I got it's been a while. I've been working. This video, I've been taking some footage of what I do at work. I'm working on a they call it a ring mill. It's like a shredder or a hammer mill. We're shredding steel automotive parts. It works ish. A lot of maintenance on it and a lot of hours. So this is going to be just some modifications that I'm doing to the machine. There's machine work, some mill work, little lathe, I think. I can't remember. It's been a while. I've been taking footage of this thing for the last month and a half, so it's not like from day to day. It's kind of broke up and whatever I can show you. But hey, I did get Mr. Max Grant sent me his channel stickers. Swan Valley Machine Shop, and I'll put one up here on the board. I'll get you over here right beside Mr. Courier and Mr. Fenner. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy, and you know, like and subscribe. You know, just if you don't want to leave a comment, you know, leave me a little thumbs up or something there in the comment. You don't have to really say anything. It's just the comment section really helps the channel. I'd really appreciate it. I'm over 500 subscribers, about 530. It kind of varies from 515 to 530 ish. I think it's like 531 right now. I am going to be doing my 500 subscriber giveaway. I'll do another video here. I'll probably have it out later today, if not tomorrow. Today's September 1st. And so I got Monday off, so I'm off the 2nd. So I might try to do a little short video on what I'm gonna give away for the 500 subscriber draw. I think y'all like it, so hey, hope you enjoy the video. Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Today I got some holes to drill and bore. Got a print. This is for my work. What I have is, this is the back plate of a shredder, metal shredder. We're going to reinforce the back plate where the anvil goes, where all the material goes in, and the first impact that the hammers throw the material against. It's a big manganese plate, and it has these forged bolts. These are 1.25 inches. They go into the casting of the manganese and go through the 3/4 inch plate that's wall, and it's wallering those out a little bit, and the manganese plates beating against the wall and causing these to come loose. So my idea is we're going to put a 1-inch plate behind it and weld it in, stitch it in real good, and I need to drill and bore for these 2 holes. Try my new chuck out. I got the video, go back and check it out, where I checked the run out in it. I'm going to use the drill bits that I got from Everett up in Canada. Everett's workshop. He sent me a bunch of drills, as he has several other YouTube creators. I haven't seen anybody use them yet, so we're going to use them. Yeah, put it the right way, Doug. Now I need to find my oil. Cleaned out my cup. It had probably a 1/4 inch of chips in it, some old oil, some spilled coffee in it. So got some new rigid cutting fluid in it. James Deadman's one of his little paint cups he modifies into a oil cup. And one of Everett's drill bits. These are split tip bits, and I don't know who makes them, but they are a nice bit. I've used them a couple times already. Okay, Everett's bits, they work really good. I mean, this was cutting more on one fleet than the other. They are split tip, so really this one probably didn't need a hole to drill. It would have probably done it all on its own. Hey guys, would you actually believe I lost some footage? Knowing me, I probably deleted it, I'm sure. So I don't have any of the boring footage, but I will. But it bored great. I do have some more. I have 8 more holes to do in an upcoming video that I'm going to do next. So I'll make sure you see some of this old index doing some 2 1/4 inch holes. So I apologize, but here's some footage of at work of where the plate goes, and I'll show some other modifications that I did to the inside of the ring mill. I called it a shredder in the beginning of the video. It's actually called a ring mill. So here's that footage. Alright, here's a lot of modifications I did. It's a 2-inch plate, 1-inch plates. There's 2-inch plates back here for gussets. These are all gussets. This is the anvil that all the parts beat against. I put these gussets in line with what the anvil sets the bars underneath, where it sets on, so the transfer straight down through goes down. All solid welded. I got headlamp on, so it's pretty dark in here. I did hard surface some just to keep material from beating against it. It is all steel. There's 8 passes of 70/18 vertical up, and about 6 passes overhead. And then on the top of the 2-inch plate, we added my headlamp switched here. Can't really move this anvil too much. We made these radius gussets that welded everything, welded the bench. And this is where the other one, it beat against the wall and it had so much slop in it, it would break the bolt because it beat down on the little bench that was in it. I'll show you that here in a minute. So it's got 3 gussets that follow the radius of the anvil, all solid welded. Get that back on, and then once it's drawed up tight, it'll go back up against all the welds. There's about 20 passes in there to fill up that what got all buggered up and hard surfaced. Trying to get down this ladder and get out of this hole. There's the old anvil. Bent. Here's the little tiny plate it was sitting on. 3/4 inch by 5. With 2 3/4 plate gussets. That didn't last but 3 hours. So take you around to the back. 125 horse motor. Let me get down here on my butt. Okay, you can see the little holes. They're all wallered out. That's what it beat against. And you can see the boat out right there and right there. And that's a new plate in the top where it beat it out. And there's some here on the bottom. You can see the burn holes where I filled them in. And here's the plate that I did. So that'll set up like that. Get welded. Once I get it bolted, it'll all get welded in. With homemade washers and I had the lamp close it out. Okay. And the bolts, or the nuts, and the lock nut. Now they suggest about every couple hours coming out here and retorquing these bolts up until they totally seat the anvil. So it'll keep tightening up a little bits at a time. But here's what the material looks like once it goes through the shredder. Well, it's called a ring mill. It's sort of like a hammer mill, and they're pretty decent, pretty big, decent parts. So that's what they look like when they come out the business end.